Hi, here is how to use the desktop version of the Wealthy Broking feature. Visit wealthy.in and click on the login button or simply visit app.wealthy.in. Log in using your credentials. Now tap on the Trade Now Beta option and it'll redirect you to your broking dashboard. You'll see an overview of your holdings, positions, margins and orders on the dashboard. By tapping on funds, you can add funds using UPI and net banking and also withdraw them as and when required. You can also get a list of all your transactions by clicking over here. Search for a stock by typing the name in the search bar and add it to the watch list by clicking over here. You can take multiple actions on the stock like buying, selling, checking the market depth, or viewing the charts. You can choose the time period and also the indicators while browsing the chart. To buy, all you need to do is to select the investment type, enter the details like quantity, price, etc. and click on buy. You can also sell the shares by simply clicking on the sell button or switching to sell. You can see all your orders under the order tab. If you need to modify or cancel the order, click over here. This also gives you information about the order. Similarly, you can check your holdings and your positions under these tabs. And that's how easily you can use the desktop version of the Wealthy Broking feature.